Good morning, everybody. Welcome. We are going to take a look, first of all, at excuse me, 8 to 14 day. Sorry, I'm a little bit laggy. I'm a little bit tired. Woke up an hour and a half ago, still a little bit waking up. But anyways, this is our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook issued from yesterday, and this is going from January 3rd to January 9th of 2025. Bringing in the new year, and we see below normal for the east, above normal for the west, especially the southwest, which indicates a positive P&A pattern, which basically means that we're seeing a big high pressure, a ridge of high pressure in the west, which promotes usually a lot of cold in the east. Here's our 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook. Above average in the northern plains, going from January 3rd to January 9th. Below average basically for the rest of the country. Basically, there are some near normal spots here and there. I do want to take a look at our pivotal weather 15-day snowfall outlook, and let's go to that, and let's go to our 384 so we can see our 15-day snowfall outlook. And to be honest, I'm looking at this fresh with you with fresh eyes because I haven't looked at this yet or seen it yet, so I'm going to check out our 15-day snowfall outlook with you guys. And we have a big snowstorm for Wisconsin and Michigan. Very heavy snowfall, it looks like. Probably, it looks, without even looking on the color chart, this is easily a foot of snow. I can just tell. But if we look at the color chart, if I can get these ads out of the way, I thought my mom had an ad blocker on this computer, but we still get ads, so I don't know. Anyways, in the Northeast, there's also a lot of snow, but really the highlight of this looks like the bigger of the snowstorms, the one in Wisconsin and Michigan, and I want to try to hone in on when that's going to happen, so let's take a look. Let's kind of go back in time, so to speak, on the modeling. So again, let's see, hour 204. Okay, so we do not have the snow by January 4th, so let's try and see if this happens by hour 216. Nope. Let's try hour 225. And nope. Let's try hour 237. And let's try to get some. Okay, so it looks like it's developing by hour 237. Let's see if that verifies by looking at hour 246. Yep, we're building up some snowpack there, some snowfall there, accumulations, and there we have it. So basically, this storm goes from hour 237 to hour 264. So basically from January 5th to January 7th, give or take, lesser or more, on the precision of that time period. But yeah, again, I think January is going to be very cold, and this is kind of verifying and kind of confirming to me that, hey, maybe we will have a cold and snowy January. But let us take a look at the CFS monthly forecast, and we're going to take a look and see if the CFS model is chipping away, and it does. It continues to chip away this January warmth. I mean, it's very. So if you look at December 25th, there's a small opening there. In December 26th, it opens a little bit bigger and wider, more expansively. And then by December 27th, it again continues to bring that etching away of that warm air up to the northern plains and whatnot. So this is definitely uptrend. We continue to see the trend, and just based off logic, this would continue to evolve into a colder pattern by the way it's looking. It's because, colder, coldest type of thing. So that's looking hopeful for all of you cold and snow lovers. Let's see, last but not least, let's take a look at our NAO. This has got to go negative, and yeah, it's not really getting negative, but it is a little bit negative. So there are going to be other factors in play to bring this cold to January. And that's not to say the NA won't go negative in January. That's just to say right now it's not. But hey, when things get kicking in January, maybe we'll get an active MJO pulse. Maybe the NAO will go negative. Maybe we'll have a whole bunch of factors that kind of coalesce and interplay and interweave through each other to make it a very cold and snowy January. But that's my thoughts right now, is that January will be very cold and snowy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day, rest of your day, and take care. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.